Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we are now going to take the Monique entrance to Highway 2000 or the Edward Siaga Highway and get on the highway from here. We're actually heading towards Montego Bay today, and we drove over Mount Rossa so you guys could get a tour. But we're going to go on to the highway now, and then this highway will take us from Monique to Balmy Bay where it ends. So this is the Monique entrance to the highway. The toll plaza is named Unity Valley, and this highway was recently named the Edward Siaga Highway, and it's a north-south leg of Highway 2000. Now Highway 2000,
please press the button and take the car.
Is a
safe journey.
Highway 2000 is a project to build a highway connecting both international airports. So that leg of the highway will run from Kingston to Montego Bay, and the second leg was to get persons to get to the tourist attractions easily and quickly. And those tourist attractions are in Ocho Rios. So the north-south leg of Highway 2000 runs from Kingston to Ocho Rios. And the highway that connects both the international airports is the east-west leg of Highway 2000. And that one is named the PJ Patterson Highway. This is the Unity Valley entrance, but because it's in Monique, persons just refer to it as a Monique. Now this small area was built. I don't think anything happens over there. There's a restroom. I don't think anything much happens over here. And straight ahead there's a Texaco gas station, but I don't know what they were thinking when they were building that gas station, but it literally has not a lot of traffic. Alright, so we're now entering the actual highway. You can search a channel for videos, search for Epic Failure, and the video will come up about that gas station. I guess the idea of building a gas station on the highway was good, but that you can only access that gas station when on the highway. So the regular traffic, there's no way for them to access the highway unless they go through the toll plaza. And then when you're on the highway, it's good that you have a gas station if you need gas, but the gas station is not 24 hours. So you are not going to know or chance it to say, all right, maybe I'll reach there before it closes. So basically persons just fill up. I know we just fill up before we get on the highway to ensure we have enough gas to take us on the entire journey. So that gas station does not do well at all. Alright, so we're heading towards Balmy Bay now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.